Title of the video: Illustrating Multiplication of Function Using Algebraic Tiles with Braille Codes and Function Machine made of tactile materials. In the previous videos, you had learned to add and subtract functions using the function machine. Now, let's discuss multiplying functions. In definition, let f and g be functions. There's product denoted by f times g is the function denoted by the quantity of f times g, x is equals to fx times gx. We have the given functions here. Fx is equals to x plus 5 and gx is equals to 2x minus 1. In our examples, we need to determine the following functions. We have number 1, the quantity of f times g, x, and for number 2, we have the quantity of f times g, where x is equals to 3. So the given function, f times g, x, we need to input the value of fx, which is equal to x plus 5. And also, we need to input in our gx function the value of 2x minus 1. Then we have x plus 5 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Now we will solve for the second function. Quantity of f times g, where x is equals to 3. First, we need to input 3 in our fx function, which is x plus 5. That will be 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Also, we need to input 3 to the gx function, which is 2x minus 1. That will be 2 times 3 minus 1 is equals to 5. Next, we need to input 3 to our f times g function, which is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. That will be 2 times 3 squared plus 9 times 3 minus 5 is equal to 40. Let us check what we have here. So we have fx is equals to 8 and we have the gx is equal to 5. Hence, the product of fx and gx is equal to 40. I hope you liked the video and see you soon in the next video.